Welcome everybody to our brand new commercial listing here in St. Robert, Missouri. I'm Curtis Sampson with the Gibson Grind Team, powered by Keller Williams. This property is over 2,600 square feet, has 2 suites and a full basement with a garage. We're really close to Fort Leonard Wood, right off exit 161. Now come take a look. Now, with this commercial property, you do come with several great features. Not only 2 entrances that lead into this beautiful paved parking lot, but you have a 60-foot sign, which is great for advertising, with over 400 feet of road frontage off of I-44. I'm Curtis Sampson with the Gibson Grind Team. Call me today.